Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and these are my views in fewer than two. Samsung phones. What are the first three things you do when you get yours? Well, if it's not a Samsung device, what are the first things you do when you get your phone? I've been getting Samsung phones for a few generations. I don't know if I'm going to continue to get Samsung phones because of recent issues that I've brought up already. The first thing that I do is I turn off that nav bar. That little turd bar at the bottom of the screen, can't stand it. Don't like it. Want to turn it off, and if the device does not allow me to do it, I'm probably not going to be using the device because I'm all about the software experience. That's the first thing I do, turn it off. Second thing I do, speaking of software experiences, I install GoodLock. It's an officially unofficial app available in the Samsung App Store by Samsung developers, I believe direct employees, that allow you to customize. These little modules allow you to customize different aspects of your Samsung phone experience. It's free, it's easy to use, and it makes it so much more like your device. And this is really for power users. So if you're not a power user, you may not be interested in GoodLock. Me, I'm a power user, love being able to tweak various aspects of the software and keeping everything stable. GoodLock makes it possible. Now, the third thing I do is going to sound a little outlandish, but I put on a case. That's the third. But I prioritize the software stuff before I get to the hardware. But that's absolutely the third thing I do to protect the device, because as I'm messing around with software, I might drop the phone. I don't know how you naked people do it. Like, well, certainly how you carry your phone if you're naked. But I mean, like, why do you walk around not having a case on your phone? It's like that should probably be the first thing you do is clothe your phone.